The video.
Oh. Today we're going to uncircumcise this gear shifter. So this is the gear shifter situation that we have in the Porsche. This leather is supposed to go all the way up and kind of wrap around the tip. We took a look at some videos and everyone struggles. So we thought, okay, let's try and figure out a better way to do it. So this is how you take apart a Porsche 944 shifter. First, you peel back this trim piece. But look at how nice and black it is. That's thanks to our carpet dye. Check out the episode if you haven't seen it.
All right, we're gonna spray this. Oh my.
It's a good one. After you remove the trim piece, or just peel it back, you lift it up. Ow! Put that aside. And then the entire shifter should come out, I guess. Since we don't need the boot,
There you go.
you can do that. This is the new boot. As you can see, it's a lot longer. The leather is going to wrap around inside, and then we put the cap on top, so it has a nice look to it. Okay, sorry about the audio before. I didn't have my mic.
Oh.
Okay, so far so good. Our plan is to push the leather inside and super glue it. Then just hope and pray that we'll be able to get the cap on. All right, we are just gonna leave this loose and we're gonna try and just put the cap on while folding this down. I don't know if this is gonna go in, but let's give it a try. When in doubt, brute force. Get it off. Stop.
That is fine, Joe. That looks crisp and sharp.
Look at that, that's so sick. So we need to take the old rubber circumcised skin off of the trim piece. It just goes like that. Remind me, is this front or back? Back?
I don't know.
All right, let's go check. Knob me. What? Okay. This is actually a lot harder with the knob in. Oh, maybe I should move this.
Microfiber done for.
Good. Just look at the floppy. Okay. Into the car. Oh. I got this. Okay. I think that's great.
Good.
Are you filming?
Mm-hmm.
Dude, your brake light's out. Oh man, that's another $500 I need to spend at the Porsche dealership.
He doesn't know I know this trick. Auxito has redefined automotive lighting with high-performance LED bulbs for cars, SUVs, trucks, and motorcycles of almost every make and model. Yes, even your 1983 Porsche. Auxito's innovative designs match halogen beam patterns, offering a bright and glare-free illumination at an affordable price. If you are looking to upgrade or replace your automotive lighting, visit auxito.com and use code HOONHOUSE at checkout to elevate your driving experience. We're back, and we'll give you a quick review on how the shift boot has been doing. The leather is still behaving perfectly. It's maintained its suppleness. We do put leather conditioner on it about once a month, and that's kept a really nice condition to the leather. As soon as we start using it some more, it'll probably develop a natural patina, which will probably look great. The color is fantastic. The fact that the leather has pores means it's pretty comfortable in the winter time. We do winter drive this car and it doesn't get too cold on the hand. That might be also because the transmission leaks a lot of heat. So that's some natural shifter heating, baby. 1980s technology right there.
The transmission's at the back of the car. That was just a lie.
In terms of the method we used to secure the leather, it's been perfect. I mean, other than the little mess up we had on the top there, it's held it down really well. The super glue did its job. It isn't the perfect finish by any means, but you can definitely do it yourself if you really needed to. So let's take a step outside and talk to you about what's coming next for the Porsche. So what's coming next for the Porsche? The paint does need a lot of work. We have done some wet sanding, but we struggle to focus on one thing at a time. So a full sanding, polishing, and restoration of the paint is definitely coming. That is along with the destroyed wheels that definitely need attention. And finally, let us know in the comments, what color should we paint the calipers? We can go with a red to match the Martini livery, or we can go with a blue, or even that Porsche yellow iconic brake caliper color. Now, if you follow me to the back of the car, there's been a lot of work that we've done back here. In the next coming weeks, you guys should expect to see a video on two big things, and that is the suspension being completely rebuilt because of a collapse, hashtag potholes, and the exhaust rebuild. We had a completely custom cherry bomb exhaust that we installed, and you'll see that very soon. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave any ideas or recommendations you have for this car. We want to do so much to it, we just don't know where to start. So if you have any ideas or things you want to see us do, leave them in the comments. We want to make you guys happy. And as this channel continues to grow, which I have noticed, and thank you guys so much, we're going to do some great big things. But I need your support to get started with that. So thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one.